Hello and welcome. I just got the Philips V-Line 273V5 monitor. It has 27 inches, Hdmi and VGA connectors, 1 millisecond delay. This model has built-in speakers, there's also a model without them. And this model number is 273V5LHAB/00, but there are many different model IDs. You can see them all in the description. We're going to unpack it, assemble it, test it, and disassemble it again. So first up, we have an audio cable. And this is the attachment for the screen, and here will go the foot. VGA cable, I guess 1.5 or maybe 2 meters, probably 1.8. Power cable. The foot of the stand for the monitor. And here we have the screen. There we go. So 29 watts is its supposed energy waste. Down here we have buttons, down or auto, volume or up, brightness or left, menu or OK, and the on/off button. And back here we have audio from headphones, audio in, D-sub or VGA, DVI, and HDMI. And over here is the power connector. And actually I only expected VGA and HDMI. At least that's what I think they promised in the store. Also we have a quick start page with some spots. A SmartControl notice and a CD, very retro. So first we unpack the foot. This looks really rough. And we have a little protection strip right here. Next we're going to attach this to the screen. Click. All we need to do is let it slide in. And now we do the same for the stand. Crack. And later, to get it out, we will have to use these guys. So we can detach it again. There is of course no HDMI cable in the package. Don't buy any of these expensive ones. You shouldn't spend more than $5 on one. So now to test it, let's attach an HDMI cable. and the power cable I have lying around. And I'll just use an HDMI to micro HDMI adapter. And there we go. We're just gonna take a look at the menu. The screen is kind of shaky, so we can switch the input manually. VGA, DVI, HDMI. There's a back button for the menu. We can change the picture settings. We have widescreen, brightness, contrast, smart response, smart contrast, gamma, overscan is off. We can change the audio settings. We're not going to use the internal speakers, so let's just set it to 0. Or we can actually just mute it. And we can also choose whether to use HDMI or audio in for the audio source. We have color temperature settings with 2 settings, blue and warm. And we can user-define red, green, blue balance. We have various languages here. On-screen display settings, we can change the position of this. We can make it transparent. And we can set its timeout. And finally, in setup, we can have a resolution notification turned on or turned off. When we change the resolution, we can reset the settings and we have some info. Model 273V5, serial number, resolution and frequency. And this is it. So let's take it apart. And as I showed you earlier, we're just gonna deattach the foot. And to take off this part, we need to push this. This was hard to deattach, so we have to push this in while pulling this upwards. And it's better to rest the monitor on a surface for that. Anyways, now it's off. And we can put it back in the box. So thanks for watching. Check out the description for more info. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Ciao!